A cosmic perspective, threats and opportunities from the stars. Space is vast, it is filled with wonder, but it also holds danger. Asteroids, remnants from the early solar system, hurtle through the darkness. We track them, we study them. We know that some could pose a threat to our planet. Some have hit Earth before. These impacts were devastating. They caused mass extinctions, but what if these celestial wanderers, these potential harbingers of destruction, could also hold the key to our survival? It might seem like science fiction, yet the more we learn about asteroids, the more we realize their potential. They are rich in resources that are dwindling here on Earth. Iron, nickel, water, these are all abundant in asteroids. Could these space rocks be the answer to our growing resource crisis? Asteroids, a lifeline for a struggling planet. Our planet is in trouble. Climate change is a real and present danger. Resources are becoming scarce. Population growth continues. These challenges seem insurmountable. Where will we find the resources to sustain our growing population? How do we combat the effects of climate change? The answer might lie beyond our atmosphere. Asteroids represent a source of valuable resources that could help us address our most pressing problems. Imagine a future where asteroid mining provides the raw materials for clean energy. Imagine building space habitats with resources harvested from asteroids. It's a bold vision, but it's a vision worth exploring. The growing shadow of resource depletion. Let's talk about resources. We need them to survive. Everything we use comes from Earth. But these resources are finite. We are using them faster than they can be replenished. This unsustainable consumption is taking its toll. We see it in deforestation, polluted rivers, and depleted mines. The consequences are dire. Conflicts over resources, economic instability, a decline in our quality of life. We need a new source of resources, a source that can meet the needs of a growing population without further harming our planet. Reaching for the stars, mining asteroids, building a future. This is where asteroids come in. They are like treasure chests in space filled with valuable resources. Mining asteroids might seem like something out of Star Wars, but it's becoming more feasible. Companies are already developing technologies for asteroid mining. Robotics, advanced propulsion systems, and space-based infrastructure are making it a reality. And it's not just about mining. Think bigger. Imagine using asteroid resources to build space habitats. These habitats could house our growing population. They could serve as platforms for scientific research. They could even act as a safeguard for humanity in case of a catastrophe on Earth. Lighting the way, pioneers of asteroid exploration. We're not just dreaming about it. Space agencies and private companies are actively exploring asteroids. Missions like Hayabusa 2 and OSIRIS-REx have already returned samples from asteroids to Earth. These missions provide valuable data about the composition of asteroids and the feasibility of mining them. Private companies are investing heavily in asteroid mining technologies. They recognize the enormous economic potential and the long-term benefits for humanity. We are on the cusp of a new era of space exploration, one driven by the promise of resources and the need to secure our future. Our future among the stars. The future may seem uncertain, but looking up at the stars, I feel a sense of hope. The same asteroids that have posed a threat to our planet for millennia could hold the key to our survival. They could provide us with the resources we need to overcome our current challenges and build a better future for all humankind. It's a future where humanity reaches beyond the confines of Earth, a future where we tap into the vast resources of our solar system. A future where we become a spacefaring civilization. It's a future worth striving for. Subscribe to Fact Fusion for more cosmic mysteries.